hello. This is my name is Satyajit, and as you see, this is a Agarwal Trade business meet, which we have every year, meet, and it's a great opportunity for all the businesses who's been here participating, and it's a basically the business meet for all the traders, builders, and all the construction people who been here. And we, as a Pride Group, like more than 35 years of experience we are having, and there are here a couple of projects which we are featuring. One of the project is Pride Euphora, which is our old Madras Road newly launched project, and we do apartment, villa, plot, all the development. And glad to be here. It's a great opportunity, great meet, and hoping to participating again in the next year coming year for sure. Yeah, thank you.
ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಶರಣ್ಯ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಈಗ 3ನೇದು ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಡೆವಲಪರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಶ್ರವಣಬೆಳಗೊಳದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟುವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗದೆ ಹೋಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡು ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್. ಏನೇನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಹೌಸು, ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್, ಔಟ್ಡೋರ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್, ಇಂಡೋರ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್, ಪಾರ್ಕ್, ಪ್ಲೇ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಥರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟು ಜನವರಿ 15 ನಂತರ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪ್ರೀ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಫರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್ ಎರಡೂ ಸೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲೂ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೌಸಲ್ಲೂ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಥರ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಶರಣ್ಯ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಗೂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
My name is Ashu Agarwal and I am representing my company Prince System Private Limited. We are in the distribution of Prince pipes, giving pipe solutions like PVC, CPVC pipes and fittings, along with underground pipes. We have one of the largest range in this industry, and we are distributing this. We are distributors for these brands for the last 34 years. Along with this, we also give sanitary wares and bathroom fitting solutions, and we are distributors for brands like Cera, Jaguar, American Standard, and Grohe. Then we are also into firefighting solutions, wherein we are distributors for products like Astral CPVC Fire Pro, Lifeguard, fire extinguishers, sprinkler systems, and finally we are also distributors for electrical fittings like pipes and fittings for Precision brand. So this is our product portfolio. Thank you.
My product, all are imported marble, natural stone. This is finished. You come here and touch. This is finished. This is natural marble and this is finished from CNC machine. Natural product. See, all are imported marble. We import from 35 countries. Major countries: Turkey, Iran, Italy, China, Afghanistan, Namibia. All are natural stone for the interior.
This entire thing is completely marble.
Yes, completely marble. Or natural marble, not handmade, not artificial. Then natural marble.
So your trader name, sir?
My company name is STP Stone.
Okay, STP
Located in
Stones.
Hosur, Tamil Nadu.
Okay,
not in Bangalore.
since when are you doing this?
1994.
Okay, your good name, sir?
Navin.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your contribution.
वी आर फ्रॉम विराजमान चेयर्स। हम लोग का मेन काम चेयर्स के अलावा आज के दिन वर्क स्टेशंस, लाउंज चेयर्स, सोफाज में भी है। यहाँ पे अगर आप जो डिस्प्ले देख रहे हैं ये सब कुछ रिलेटेड टू चेयर्स ही दिखेगा। मेनली इनटू ऑफिस फर्नीचर। हम लोग यहाँ 20 साल से काम कर रहे हैं। अपना मेन ऑफिस मैसूर रोड पे है, सारा प्रोडक्शन भी मैसूर रोड पे ही है। चेयर्स के लिए कस्टमाइजेशन से लेकर बेस्ट प्राइसिंग से लेकर बेस्ट क्वालिटी तक सब कुछ देने की कोशिश चल रही है। थैंक यू।
Hi, this is Chetan from Suntrop Solar. Actually, we are going to install the solar rooftop for residential, commercial, industrial, and domestic purposes. And right now, we have the subsidy for domestic purposes, like 78% is the maximum. And we are expertise in solar testing, warranty management, yield optimization.
We are into the manufacturing of pre-engineering building, and this is a kind of building which we do. So we go with the turnkey projects like pre-engineering building, EOT cranes, mezzanine floors, silos, heavy structural fabrication, and whatever it is required into the building materials. So we started our organizations since 2011. 2001 was initially started, and now it is into the pre-engineering building, cranes, and the racking systems. These are the modular racks which are used in the warehouse for automobile sectors or storage facilities. Most of the racks it is used in big baskets, Flipkart, Amazon, and these kind of buildings are used in automobile sector, pharmaceutical sectors, any of the warehouse sectors. So we do from 10,000 square feet to 3 lakh square feet, 4 lakh square feet built up area.
Yeah, we are doing resales of refurbished laptops from Bazaar Gadgets. We have all higher end models and low end models. We have desktops. Fine.
Sir, actually we have 3 projects, Vaibhav Nagar, Vaibhav Greens and Vaibhav Uppavan. In that, Vaibhav Nagar and Greens are located on Devanahalli to Kolar highway near Jangamkote Cross, and that Vaibhav Uppavan is located on Hoskote to Chintamani road near H Cross. Like all the 3 projects are government approval projects, like DC converted, individual Ekata, DTCP approved and RERA registered project. It's a ready for registration property, and you will get up to 90% bank loan also. And this Vaibhav Uppavan is there now. It's good for investment and construction also. Already people started construction in the layout. Price we are quoting 2,000 per square feet. It's exactly coming in H Cross. It's a main junction actually, H Cross. That H Cross connects to 4 towns: Devanahalli, Kolar, Hoskote and Chintamani. So it's good for investment and construction also. And nearby development also going good, sir. Our project backside, Bangalore North University, they started construction in 110 acre with campus, and Tata warehouse and Judio warehouse also nearby only, and Vemgal Narsapura industrial area, and Mastanelli Kaivara industrial area also nearby only. And this Vaibhav Uppavan is actually from the main road 2 km inside. That is National Highway attached project, Bangalore to Kadapa. It's a Vaibhav Uppavan. And Vaibhav Green is 600 meter inside from the main road. In that, Kolar to Devanahalli.
That's per square feet, it's 1,700.
Yeah. Vaibhav Nagar, we are quoting 1,500 plus square feet. Vaibhav Greens, we are quoting 1,700 plus square feet. And Vaibhav Uppavan, we are quoting 2,000 plus square feet.
Okay.
And all the prices are negotiable.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
तो ये ग्लास आइटम है सर अपना, प्रेस्टीज मार्केटिंग कॉर्पोरेट लालबाग रोड में है। फुल आइटम इम्पोर्टेंट है। सैरामिक है, इस साइड में सैरामिक है सर।
Price range starts and
सर 1,550, 1,850, 2,350, 2,550।
end price कहाँ तक है?
एंडिंग पॉइंट तो सर 30,000 तक है।
30,000.
30,000 तक है।
Our shop is located in SP Road. Shop name is Ratnakar Impex. It is 9,000 square feet showroom, and you'll get 9999 plus varieties there. So starting from age born baby till how many years people you want, you will get there. Come do visit our store once. You will be satisfied with the product also.
Your good name?
My name is Jenny,
Okay.
and I am the member of Ratnakar Impacts.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Jenny. Thank you.
ಪವರ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಕೇವ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 3% ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 20% ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 LED ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಇದೆ, 0.9 ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈಗ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದರ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 30% ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಸೇವ್ ಮನಿ, ಸೇವ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಸೇವ್ ಮನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದರಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು.
Your good name?
My name is Shatrak.
Thank you so much, Shatrak.
Pure silver articles, and we are in Agarwal Trade.
Hi everyone. So basically we have this studio in Ashok Nagar Castle Street. Our brand is called Font 24 and Rukinda Kumar. We have two brands. Our Font 24 brand is a Western apparel brand where we are basically we have brunch wear, vacation wear, party wear and evening wear, and we are doing 4-hour delivery within Bangalore. And we have a modern Indian clothing over here, which our designer has designed certain styles, and we do customization in these styles. And we have wedding wear, festive wear, and if you have any award functions or something to attend, so we have clothing for all of that. Your good name? My name is Richa.
Thank you so much, Richa.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello friends, with myself Manju Bhandari from Saffron Deco. Basically this is a product PVC, it's not a wood. So we make all this product, it's handmade and washable, fungus free and recyclable. And it's a multi-purpose usage. So this is example lunch bag. So you can use it as a lunch bag also, and this bigger size you can use it as a picnic bag like this. And these are all water bottle bags. Varieties I have in this dining mats, laundry bag, fruit baskets, and we do take customized order also and bulk orders also.
Okay, so where exactly your
It's in Girinagar, Bangalore.
Okay, can you just tell us the full address so that if anyone wants to visit, they'll
Yeah,
visit?
it's in Banshankari, Girinagar, number 4000 PTN Arcade.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
start कर दिया. Hi, we are from SNBN Lifestyle, a boutique store specializing in branded watches and sterling silver jewelry. हम लोग यूनिक कलेक्शन क्यूरेट करते हैं और कस्टमर्स को बहुत ही वाजिब रेट में अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस पे दिलवाते हैं. हमारे पास फॉजिल, कैशियो, HMT, DW, Guess, Michael Kors, Imperial, Swiss made ब्रांड्स सारे टाइप के वॉचेस मिल जाएंगे. आपको मिनिमम 50% ऑफ मिलेगा, अप टू 70% ऑफ. We are also dealing in Italian silver jewelry, which is a replacement for gold jewelry, and these are all gold polished with Swarovski crystals, and these are also available at very affordable prices. Unique collection, so do visit us. We are located in Gandhi Bazaar, Bangalore. If you are interested, do visit our store and avail the offer. Thank you so much.
The corrections for house and offices. Along with that, we have this instrument, Miracle Scanner. Through this, we can scan energy of the house, office, or a person. So we can suggest them particular stone or any crystals like this. This is healer. It will balances all the 7 chakra of human. And these all are Vastu Yantras. If door is not correct, by putting this, the door get rectifies. Similarly, this is for this is for education, Vidya Yantra. By this, children can get good marks by praying in front of this and study.
Good name, sir?
Jayadev. I'm Jayadev from Vastava Vastu.
Thank you. One good morning. I have a stall set up here named under Misa Clothing at Agarwal Trade Fair. I think this has been one of the best stalls I've ever put till now. The opportunity which this fair has given us is incredible. We've met so many people in person. I think that's wonderful, and I wish all the very best to all of the people who's participating over here. And thank you for giving us this opportunity.
जैसे आपने देखा, मैं अग्रवाल ट्रेडर्स जो पैलेस ग्राउंड में है, गेट नंबर 6 पे। सो मेरा ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था। बिल्डर्स से लेके आपको शॉपिंग और खाने का चीज़, हर एक चीज़ है यहाँ पर। मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया और मैंने भी कुछ चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर किया, कुछ लेने की कोशिश किया। सो बहुत अच्छा लगा। आज लास्ट डे है, तो आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन टू कम विजिट विद द फैमिली। इनकेस आपको कुछ यूज़फुल का चीज़ है तो आप ले भी सकते हो। इनकेस कुछ नॉलेज भी चाहिए, आपको नॉलेज के रिगार्डिंग भी मिल जाएगा। तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको ऐसा लेटेस्ट अपडेट आपको फर्स्ट में मिलेगा। सो काइंडली डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल। थैंक यू सो मच।
So many talented individuals.